Royalties in the context of intellectual properties refer to payments made to the owner of a copyrighted work or patent for the use or sale of that work. These payments are typically made by individuals or companies that want to use the intellectual property for their own purposes. Royalty. A royalty is a payment made to the owner of a copyrighted work or patent for the use or sale of that work. For example, if a company wants to use a song in a commercial, they would pay a royalty to the songwriter or music publisher. Another example is an author receiving royalties from the sale of their book. Copyright. Copyright is a form of protection given to creators of original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and certain other intellectual works. For example, a writer owns the copyright to their book, and a musician owns the copyright to their song. When someone else wants to use these works, they may need to pay royalties to the copyright owner. Patent. A patent is a form of intellectual property that gives its owner the legal right to exclude others from making, using, selling, and importing an invention for a limited period of time. For example, an inventor might patent a new technology to prevent others from using it without permission. In this case, companies that want to use the patented technology may need to pay royalties to the patent holder. Licensing. Licensing is the process of granting permission to use intellectual property rights, such as copyrights, trademarks, or patents, under specified conditions. For example, a software company might license its technology to another company for use in their products. The company using the technology would then pay royalties to the software company for the rights to use it. Revenue sharing. Revenue sharing is a business arrangement in which two or more parties share the profits or revenue from a particular business venture. For example, a book author and a publisher might agree to share the revenue from book sales. The author would receive royalties based on the sales of the book. Royalties can vary widely depending on the agreement between the parties involved and the specific terms of the intellectual property rights. Follow for more.